Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and revise a very important chapter of your NCRT exercise, which is lines and angles. Okay, and in that chapter we take some important questions of your NCRT exercise and solving them. Now, dear student, today we are going to start and discuss revise a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise, which is Heron's formula. We already discussed about that chapter, but just I in revision session. So we revise that chapter, Heron's formula. First of all, we discuss what is the main use of the Heron's formula. According to Heron's formula, we find the area of any triangle ABC when all of its sides are given. Okay, if all of its sides are given, then we apply the Heron's formula. Okay, we already know about the general formula for to find the area of triangle is what? You know that 1 upon 2 base into height. And for equilateral triangle, we also know some question formula based on them. Now first we discuss some other important formula based on the area of triangle. Then after we discuss about the Heron's formula. Different. So by the help of the Heron's formula, we find the area of triangle ABC. Let's see. Dear friends, for any triangle ABC, for any triangle AB, suppose that, dear friends, suppose that here ABC is a triangle in which AD is your height. AD is your perpendicular height, and suppose that this is height S, and the base of the triangle we see as B. Okay. Then the area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height, means 1 upon 2 into base into height. So this is the general formula of triangle when its base and a perpendicular height corresponding to that base are given. In that condition, we apply the formula 1 upon 2 into base into height. Okay, now dear friends, we know some other different formula related to area of triangle ABC. Now for an equilateral triangle, let's say, suppose that for an equilateral triangle ABC. Okay, this one for an equilateral triangle ABC. Let's see. Suppose that A, B, C. Suppose that dear friends, A, B, C is an equilateral triangle in which all of its side is equal to A, and you know that each angle of the equilateral triangle is what? 60 degree. Okay, each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree, and each side of the equilateral triangle is A. Now dear friends, ABC is a triangle here. Okay, now for that triangle, the area of an equilateral triangle, area of triangle ABC is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square, that is root 3 by 4 into A square. Because of here we take A with the side of the equilateral triangle. And second important thing is that the height. Suppose if we draw A, B perpendicular to that side BC, base BC, and the height of an equilateral triangle ABC is equal to what? Root 3 by 2 into side. Means what? Root 3 by 2 into A. And you know that perimeter is what? This one you also know there is a what is the concept of perimeter. Ki the sum of all sides of any geometrical figure is known as what? Perimeter. So for that then the perimeter will be what? A plus A, that is 3 into A, or means what? 3 into side. So in this way, dear friends, we see some important formula related to area of an triangle. For that, first one is when base and height are given. In that condition, we apply the formula for the area of triangle is 1 upon 2 base into height. Now for an equilateral triangle in which all of its sides are equal, in that condition we apply the formula of an equilateral triangle is 1 upon root 3 by 4 into side square, and the height of the altitude of the an equilateral triangle is 1 upon 2 into side, and the perimeter will be 3 into side. Okay. Now we discuss about the Heron's formula. Heron's formula is applicable for an scalene triangle when its sides are different. In that condition, we apply only the Heron's to find the area of triangle. We apply only the Heron's formula. Let's see. Let's see, dear friends. Now we are going to discuss about the Heron's formula. Okay. Suppose that, dear friends, suppose that ABC is a triangle in which all of its sides are different, A, B and C. Okay. Let A, B and C are the sides of a triangle ABC. Here just all its sides are different. So this is an scalene triangle, and we take ABC are the sides of the triangle ABC. Okay. Then perimeter will be what? Then its perimeter will be what? A plus B plus C. Okay. That is its semi-perimeter. Its semi-perimeter will be what? The semi-perimeter of the triangle is represented as S. So half of the perimeter A plus B plus C upon 2. This by the help of that formula, first of all we find the semi-perimeter of the triangle ABC, and which is denoted by the letter S. So S can be obtained by the sum of all its sides by 2. So this is the general concept, general formula for the semi-perimeter of a triangle. Okay. Now dear friends, thus the formula for the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to square root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Here A, B, C are all different sides of the triangle, and S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle, which we obtained by the help of the formula A plus B plus C upon 2. So this is the whole concept. This is the formula for, this is the Heron's formula, and Heron's formula is applicable for finding the area of the triangle ABC. Now we take and solve some important question of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Let's see. Now find the area of triangle. We take a question. Find the area of triangle whose sides are 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Okay, this is our question here, dear students. Here what I do, yes, find the area of the triangle ABC whose sides are 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively. Okay, now we take and solve the question here. Let's see its solution. First of all, let its sides are A is equal to 13 centimeter, B is equal to 14 centimeter and the third side is what? 15 centimeter. Dear student, in that questions all the sides of the triangles are different, so here we apply the Heron's formula, na? Here we apply the Heron's formula. Okay, now the first of all we find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter will be what? Semi-perimeter will be means the value of S will be A plus B plus C by 2 means 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2. So we get what? 8 42 upon 2, that is 2 to the 2 1 the. So the value of S is what? 21 centimeter. Okay. Thus, dear students, first of all, by the help of the formula A plus B plus C by 2, we find the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Now, what I do now, we apply the Heron's formula. Okay. Thus, by Heron's formula, in this way, write it as by Heron's. Thus, by Heron's formula, area will be area of triangle ABC will be what? We first of all we write the formula is what? S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is the formula for this is the Heron's formula to find the area of the triangle. Now we put each and every value in that formula, so we get what? Let's see. S is what? 21 into this is 21 minus the value of A is what? 30 into S minus B. The value of S is what? 21 minus B is what? 14. The value of S is what? 21 minus the value of C is what? 50. Okay. Now we put all the values in that formula. Now we simplify that or we get our result. So we get as what? Let's see. This is at 21 into this is 21 minus 13, 8. Okay. This is 21 minus 14 means 7 into this is what? 21 minus 15 as what? 6. Okay. Now what I get? Let's see. We write 7 as what? We write 21 as 7 into 3. Okay. We write 8 as what? 4 into 2. And we write 7 as it is. And we write 6 as 3 into 2. Okay. Now let's see. Dear friends, 7 are in pair. 7 is in pair in the under root. So we take 7 as common. Similarly, 3 also in pair. Okay, so 3 is also common out from the roots. Now, the square root of 4 is what? 2 and 2 also in pair. So 2 also taken common out. Now we get what? We get what? 7 is a 21 into 2 is a 4. Now we multiply them. 4 1 is a 4, 4 2 is a 8. So 84 centimeter square. This is our required solution of the given question. Thus, dear students, in this way, you can find each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on Heron's formula. Okay, so this is the whole process to solve that type of questions. Now, dear students, we take and solve some important question of your NCERT exercise based on Heron's formula. Let's see. Now we take some other important question of your NCERT, which is what? Find the area of a triangle. Question is find the area of a find the area of a triangle. Find the area of a triangle. Two sides of which are two sides of which are 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter 11 centimeter and the perimeter is 32 centimeter and the perimeter is 32 centimeter. Okay, now let's see its solution. Dear friends, this is a very important question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see its solution. In that question, what is here? What again? Here we find the area of triangle, two sides of which are this and this. Here in that question, perimeter is given and its two sides are given. We find the area of triangle. Dear student, you know that very well. For finding the area of triangle ABC, we know all the different sides of the triangle ABC. So here only two sides are given. So first of all we find the third side. After that we apply the Heron's formula. Let's see the solution. Let one side is 8 centimeter, second side is B is equal to 11 centimeter. Let's see B its third side. Okay, then perimeter will be what? Then perimeter will be what? A plus B plus C. So the perimeter and the value of its perimeter is what? 32. Okay, and now to take the B plus C. A is what? 8 plus B is what? 11 plus C is what? We find the third sides. Okay, first of all we put, you know that the perimeter is what? Sum of its all sides. So here we apply that. So we get what? 32 is equal to, this is 19 plus C, that is value of C is equal to 32 minus 19. Now we subtract them, 12 to C is equal to what? 30 centimeter. Thus in this way the third side of the triangle is what? 30 centimeter. Okay, so in this way we got all three different sides of the triangle ABC. Now we apply the Heron's formula, and by the help of the Heron's formula we find the area of that triangle. Let's see. Thus by Heron's formula area of triangle is what? S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So now we put the values. S is what? Dear student, S is our semi-perimeter, and in that question perimeter is given. So the semi-perimeter will be 32 upon 2, that is what? 16 centimeter. So the value of semi-perimeter is 16. So here we put 16 into 16 minus A is what? 8 into 16 minus second side is B 11 into S minus C. S is what? 16 minus C is what? Third side is what? 30. Now let's see. Now we put all the values in that formula. Now we simplify them. We get what? Let's see, this is 16 into 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8 is what? 8 into 16 minus 11. This is 5. 5 into this is 3. Okay, now look, we can write 16, 4 into 2. Okay, 4 into 2, 5 3 is 15. Now let's see here. The square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. Now 215 write as it is in the root, so we get 15 to the 30. So we get what? 4 to the 8 into under root 30 centimeter square. This is our required solution of the given question. Thus, dear student, this is the process. In this way, we can solve that type of question, which is very important for you and your examination purpose. So, dear student, please do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay. Now, we take some other important question of your NCERT exercise based on Heron's formula. Let's see, dear student. Now we take a question. The perimeter of a triangular field is 450 meters. The perimeter of a triangular field is 450 meters. 450 meter, okay, and its sides are in the ratio, ratio 13 ratio 12 ratio 5. 13 ratio 12 ratio 5. Okay, find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. Listen, first of all, in finding the area of the triangle, we find all of its three different sides of the triangle. After that, we apply the Heron's formula, then we get our result. Let's see its solution. Dear student, first of all, in that question, the sides are in the ratio now given. So let the sides are a is equal to 13x, b is equal to what? This is 12x, and c is equal to what? We take 5x. Then, and perimeter is given as what? Perimeter is given as 450 meter. That is, its semi perimeter will be what? 450 upon 2, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 5 the 10. So 225 meter is the what? 225 is the semi perimeter of the triangular field. Okay, now this is perimeter or semi perimeter, we find that. Okay, now dear student, since we know that perimeter is what? Perimeter is equal to a plus b plus c. Okay, a sum of its all sides. So here we put a is equal to what? 13x, b is equal to what? 12x plus this is 5x. See, the value of c is what? 5x is equal to what? This is what? Perimeter is 450. So we get what? 13, 12, 25, 25, 5. 30x is equal to 450. Thus the value of x is what? 450 upon 30. Okay, 0 0 cancel each other. This is 15. Thus the value of x is what? 15. Okay. Thus, in this way, we get the value of x as what? 15. Now, what I do? Now, hence we find all three sides. Thus, the three sides are. Thus, the three sides are a is equal to what? 13x, that is 13 into 15. 195 meter. First side is what? A is equal to 195 meter. Okay. Second one is what? B is 12x. 12x. So 12 into the value of x is 15. 180 meter. Right. And the third side C is what? We take as what? 5x now. So 5 into x is 15. This is 75 meter. Thus, dear students, in this way, we get all its different sides of the triangular field ABC. Okay. Now, what I do, dear students? Now, let's see. Now, the area will be the area of triangular field will be the area of triangular field will be what? We apply the formula, Heron's formula. We apply S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. This is the formula for that. Now we put all the values. Yes, and the delta, the area of triangle also represented as delta. Okay. S, the value of centimeter is what? 225. Into this is 225 minus A. The value of A is what? 195. Okay. This is 225 minus B. The value of second side is what? 180. Into third one what? 225 minus 75. Now what I do? We put all the values in the formula, in the Heron's formula. Now we simplifying them. We get what? Let's see. This is 225 right as it is. Okay, into 225 minus 195 we get what? 0. This is 12. This is 30 here. And here what I get? Let's see. This is 5. 2. 12. This is 4. 45. Okay. And here what I get? This is 150. 150. Now let's see. What I do? Let's we can write 225 as what? 25 into 9. Okay, and we write 30 as 10 into 3. Okay, now we write 45 as 9 into 5 into 1. We write 15 as 5 into 3 into 10. Okay, so first of all, we split the value in all values in which are involved in the under root. Now let's see. Now area will be, let's see, the square root of 25 as 5, the square root of 9 as what? 3. 3 also in pair, so 3 common out from the surds, into 5 also in pair, so 5 is also common out from the surds, and 10 also is in pair, so 10 also take as common out. So we get 5 5 are 25 into 10 into 3 3 are 9. So we get what? 9 5 are 220. No. Let's see. This is 9 5 are 10 3 are no. Now let's see. After simplifying them, you get your result as 6750 meter square. This is our required. So now after you can solve easily. Now after solving them, you get your result. Okay. Thus, dear students, in this way today's class we discuss all the important question and discuss the Heron's formula. Now in next class we take and revise some other important chapter of your NCERT exercise. Okay, so first revise all the concept and complete your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Thanks to all.